Thank you to the Spanish customers for visiting our company and visiting our LED showroom and production workshop. This precious visit provides us with an opportunity to showcase our company's strength and is also an opportunity for us to deepen our cooperation with you. During the visit, our sales manager explained our rich LED product line to you in detail with his professional knowledge and meticulous attitude. From technical parameters to performance features, sales managers comprehensively and clearly presented the excellence of our product. Your careful observation of the products in the showroom was complemented by the sales manager's wonderful explanation. Let you have a more comprehensive understanding of our company's technical level and quality standards. This personalized service reflects our sensitivity and professionalism to our clients' needs. We are committed to providing the most practical solutions to ensure your highest level of satisfaction with our products and services. Thank you again for your visit, and we look forward to working together to create a better future through more in-depth cooperation. Your trust is very important to us, and we will make unremitting efforts to provide you with better quality LED products and services.